Proper cleaning and disinfection are key to stopping the spread of harmful germs in a home care setting. In this lesson, you'll learn the difference between cleaning and disinfecting, how to safely sanitize surfaces and equipment, and how to dispose of waste, especially contaminated items, correctly. These skills help ensure a safe, healthy environment for both you and your client. Why cleaning, disinfection, and disposal matter in home care? In a home care setting, the environment is not controlled like a hospital, and yet the risk of infection is still real. That's why HHAs must follow strict cleaning and disinfection protocols to reduce the spread of harmful microorganisms. Cleaning removes visible dirt, food, or body fluids. Disinfection kills most harmful germs that remain after cleaning. Proper disposal prevents spread through contaminated items or waste. These are essential parts of protecting both the client and the caregiver. To protect clients in a home care setting, it's important to understand the difference between cleaning and disinfection, and why both are necessary. Cleaning means physically removes dirt and germs from surfaces. Examples include sweeping and wiping with soap and water. Disinfection, on the other hand, means using chemicals to kill germs left behind after cleaning. Common disinfectants include bleach solutions and alcohol wipes. Important: cleaning must happen first before disinfection is effective. Daily and routine cleaning tasks. As an HHA, you are responsible for keeping the client's personal care area, equipment, and surfaces clean. Areas that need daily cleaning: bed rails and nightstands, over bed tables or tray tables, bathroom handles, toilet seat, and sink, kitchen counters, especially if meds or food are prepared there, wheelchair handles, walkers, or assistive devices. Use soap and warm water for basic cleaning. Then disinfect high-touch or body fluid-exposed surfaces. Proper disinfection procedures. Safe disinfectants. 1. 10 bleach solution, 1 part bleach plus 9 parts water. EPA-approved disinfectant sprays or wipes. 70% alcohol-based solutions for thermometers or small tools. Disinfection steps. Clean the surface first. Remove dirt, debris. Apply disinfectant. Make sure the surface stays wet for the time listed on the label. Air dry or wipe with a clean cloth if needed. Wash your hands or remove gloves when done. Always disinfect surfaces touched after contact with blood, urine, vomit, feces, or any body fluids. Cleaning contaminated equipment. Contaminated equipment can easily spread germs if not cleaned properly. Here's how to disinfect common tools used in home care. Thermometers. Wipe with alcohol swab after each use. Blood pressure cuffs. Wipe with disinfectant wipe after each client. Bedpans and urinals. Rinse, wash with soap, and disinfect after each use. Wheelchairs. Clean handles, armrests, and footrests daily. If you don't know whether an item can be washed or sprayed, ask the supervising nurse or check manufacturer instructions. Proper disposal of waste. Waste from home care may carry germs and must be disposed of safely. Regular waste use tissues, gloves, not soaked in blood, small dressings, disposed in lined household trash bins. Remove trash at least once a day. Contaminated waste, large dressings soaked in blood or fluids, adult diapers, briefs with visible waste, items used on infected wounds. Use double bags if leakage is possible and dispose of in a sealed trash container. If required by agency state, use biohazard bags. Linen handling and disposal. Soiled linens, bedsheets, towels, clothing, may spread infection if handled improperly. Linen safety: wear gloves. Roll linens away from your body. Don't shake. Place directly in a plastic laundry bag or designated bin. Wash with hot water and detergent. Disinfect laundry area if spills occurred. Never place used linens on furniture, beds, or clean surfaces. Sharps and medical waste, if applicable. Home clients may use needles for insulin or other injections. HHAs should not handle needles directly unless trained and allowed by their agency. If sharps are present, they should be discarded in a hard-sided, puncture-proof sharps container. Do not throw needles in regular trash. If full, inform the nurse or family caregiver to arrange for disposal. Final safety reminders. Here are a few final safety reminders to keep in mind during cleaning and disposal tasks. Always wear gloves when cleaning bodily fluids or contaminated items. Never mix cleaning products. Bleach plus ammonia equals toxic gas. Clean from clean to dirty areas to avoid spreading germs. Perform hand hygiene before and after all cleaning or disposal tasks. If exposed to body fluids, report immediately and follow agency protocol. To reduce the risk of infection, remember these key practices. Clean high-touch areas daily to reduce infection risk. Disinfect surfaces exposed to body fluids. Safely dispose of soiled items like dressings and gloves. Handle reusable tools and linens properly to prevent cross-contamination. These practices protect clients, caregivers, and others in the home. When you're ready, continue to the next lesson.